Please, I'm begging you guys, you people should stop confusing me and let me have a direction on this channel. I created this channel by myself. I started this channel by myself without any knowledge of YouTubing. So now that this channel is in this place, you people should please, I'm begging in the name of God, let me have direction on this channel. I am tired of people sending me DMs. I am tired of people DMs on my WhatsApp letting me know what I will do on this channel. This channel is not created by me and you people. And the annoying part of it all is those persons telling me what to do on this channel are not even YouTubers. You guys are frustrating me. I have videos on my phones. I can't post them because I don't know the next one you people will say. You people that are asking me of messaging more content, I cannot rely on her. Please, you people should please understand this great change of this channel. This channel is created for lifestyle, beauty and vlogs. The fact that I post messaging more content and it works, how do I continue to post it forever? Stop directing me, please. I'm begging you people. Because I decided to finally address this issue today. See me without doing intro because I am angry. Throughout the night, I cannot sleep. I keep thinking. I keep reading messages. Small YouTuber, 8,000 subscriber. What if I now get to 100? This channel started with lifestyle, beauty and vlogs. Because of my job, I don't have time and I need to be consistent to get this channel monetized. I have to start posting TikTok videos, TikTok tutorial videos, how I made money there, how to link your PayPal. And they got me a good amount of views and watch hour. And then I got monetized. I was opportune to attend Mercy Chinwo's video and wedding. It was an opportunity. And I said, okay, since I'm there, let me vlog and post a video. And to God be the glory, that video got us to 8,000 plus subscribers. Because that videos are still bringing subscribers. It also gave us a reasonable amount of revenue that I am so grateful for, that I didn't even expect that I will even get even in the next 2 years on this channel. And then I started my lifestyle again. Now I'm receiving different DMs because I left my WhatsApp contacts here because of my TikTok people, so that whenever they have questions to ask, they can gladly ask me. Now I have questions like, why do you have to start posting your lifestyle? Why not continue messaging one's content? That is the best content for you. Why do you even have to go back to posting poppo life tutorials? People are frustrating me. No one person, no two persons, no three persons. This one was saying, I came to your video because of your TikTok tutorials, and now you start posting your lifestyle. I'm not going to watch. Go back to TikTok tutorial. If I show you my WhatsApp, it's like different messages. You people are frustrating me. And I have videos on my phone. I can't even post video because I don't know the one people come up with tomorrow. I'm tired. I am tired, okay? I'm not even supposed to cry on this video, but I'm crying already. Please, you people should understand that this channel started with lifestyle, beauty, and vlogs. And I'm not ready to give up on that. You people should stop making me emotional. You people should stop making me think. I have so many videos I've made about lifestyle on my phone, but I can't even post. How do you people expect me to rely on messaging one's content? How? Am I messaging one sister? Even if I'm a sister, will our sisters rely on her content? And since I am tired, I am frustrated, like, you don't even make me. Sometimes I'll me that I love uploading videos, editing videos. Now I can't even edit videos. I can't even do anything because of, I don't know what the next you guys will say. This channel, all thanks to Ugoma Wanu that did the Port Harcourt YouTubers meeting, that I met her to be able to know a lot of things. All thanks to Mercy and Nancy Amadi. All thanks to Sarah that invited me and said I should join. All thanks to Grace Onyekachi's family. All thanks to Pastor Grace and family. Like, if those advice are coming from those people, I don't even have problems with that. But those advice are coming from people, those ones bombarding me whenever I upload videos. You just come to my WhatsApp straight and start telling me what to do on my channel. Those advice are coming from people that are not even YouTubers. You know, a YouTuber, how do you even know what to do on YouTube? How do you know? Stop it. If that is the reason why you will not watch my videos again, stop watching my videos and stop sending me a DM. I'm not calling names here because I respect every bit of contribution you've contributed to the channel, be it to watch, be it to like, be it to comment. Any video that brings you to this channel, managed. I don't know what to say again. See guys, this channel will be lifestyle, beauty and vlogs. Leave the views, let it not come. Let the views not come. I don't care. I will do what will make me happy on this channel. I will do what will make me consistent on this channel. I will also do what will make me comfortable on this channel. You can't compel me, you can't force me to change my niche. You can't, like, just forget about it. If you don't want to watch the one I'm bringing to you as my lifestyle, beauty and vlogs, forget about it. Because it's all about me. It's all about what makes me happy. I know you are the audience. You watch. I even believe those persons even sending me a DM, apart from the ones that will have problem and they will just rush to watch. No, they are not even watching other videos again when YouTube pops it up for them. So, I am focusing on my lifestyle, beauty and vlogs. If you don't want to watch, forget about it. If you don't want to watch, leave. If you want to get TikTok tutorials and every other tutorials that you want to get, I'll be starting that in my second channel, so that this one will have direction. Go to my channel, I will leave it in the description box, Sonia or Noja. I will start all those upload there. Business wise, oriented wise, go and watch there. If you don't want to see my lifestyle, I deserve to also have a lifestyle here. People that are doing it don't have two heads. The views will be small, but we'll get there. Anyway guys, I don't know anything to say again. I was just angry and I decided to pour my heart, and I hope you guys understand. With no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye now. See you guys in my next video. Bye.